Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got a QVC Tsv pre-launch offer to share with you, and it is Elemis Pro-Collagen and Aromatic Body Care 5-piece collection. It comes in two different variations, marine or rose, and this might be a surprise for some of you, but I opted for the rose. Which I'll talk about in a little while. This pre-launch offer is only available for a short time. I'll pop all links down below in my description, as well as all my other discount codes and offers I've got for other websites and any other giveaways I've got currently running. You'll find it all listed down below, so you're welcome to take a look. So to purchase the 5-piece collection now, it'll cost you £71.95 plus £3.95 shipping, and you've also got the option to pay over 5 months interest free as well. When the launch finishes, the collection will then go up to £150. Now if you were to purchase all the products individually, it will cost you around £209. So £71.95 is a huge saving. I love Elemis, I love the Pro-Collagen range, and I tend to get these now and again, so I had to get it and top up my collection. So on the website it says, your skin, your choice. This collection includes a trio of skincare icons in your choice of 2 formulations, so all you have to do is pick the option that best suits your skin. Go for the rose option for a stunning floral twist on these Elemis classics, featuring the brand new launch of Pro-Collagen Rose Marine Cream, Pro-Collagen Rose Facial Oil and Wildflowers Cleansing Oil, or choose the original option for world-renowned favourites Pro-Collagen Marine Cream, Pro-Collagen Facial Oil and Nourishing Omega Rich Cleansing Oil. Whichever you decide, you will receive the body care duo in a beautiful corresponding scent. In the original Pro-Collagen collection, you have got the Lime and Ginger Bath and Shower Milk and the Lime and Ginger Body Butter. And in the Rose collection, which I've gone for, you'll have the English Garden Bath and Shower Milk and the English Garden Body Balm. So it all comes in this bag. Start with the bath and shower milk. This is in English Garden. There's 300 ml and uplifting bath and shower milk for body cleansing. Peony, geranium, mandarin orange, cleanses, hydrates and refreshes. I haven't smelt this one before, so this is partly the reason I went for it. I only want to try a little bit on my hand there. Just have a sniff. That's quite nice actually. It's quite citrusy as well. You can smell, yeah, it's got mandarin orange. That's why, yeah. It's rosy, but not too rosy. Not too rosy, but I can smell the citrus. Yeah, no, that's nice. That's nice to add to my bathroom. Then I got the body balm to go with it. And this is 100 ml. So let's try this on my other hand. Try. The body balms are lovely. It just feels really nice and thick, luxurious. Yeah, really lovely. Do you know what? There's a slight change in scent, which is really odd because they're both from the English Garden. The bath and shower gel has a more florally wildflower with roses in there and a mandarin scent. I could pick that up. The body balm smells more like a garden, but like freshly cut grass in there as well. That's so weird. Still nice, I like it. So I've got a body balm there. Next I've got a cleansing oil. This is a Wildflower Cleansing Oil for all skin types, vitamin E, chia, pomegranate, purifies, nourishes and hydrates. And there's 195 ml. I haven't tried this before, so this is new for me, which I'm excited about. It says a nourishing skin softening floral cleansing oil that removes impurities and melts away makeup without stripping the skin. So have a sniff. Oh, I like that. Just smells just really nice and natural. Nothing strong at all. But yeah, so I've got a Wildflower Cleansing Oil. Now on to the 2 skincare products, and they're both in the Rose Collagen range. This is brand new. This is a Pro-Collagen Rose Marine Cream. It's a hydrating day cream, and there's 30 ml here. I love the Rose Cleansing Balm. I really don't like the smell. It is a really strong rosy smell. But I do really like it. It feels amazing on my skin. Let's try a little bit there. No, oh, I can just smell the shower gel. No strong rosy smells there, so I'm happy with that. So I've got a moisturiser. Then I've got a Pro-Collagen Rose Oil, Soothing Facial Oil. There's 15 ml there. I tend to use oils at night. Massage 3 to 4 drops over the face and neck. The soothing oil nourishes and renews the skin. Enriched with up to 17 varieties of organic roses that go into the making of this English rose oleo extract, plus Rosa damascena and rosehip seed oil, as well as safflower oil, Padina pavonica, roaring water kelp, coastal extract, plus the oils of sweet almond, jojoba and coconut, ideal for all skin types including sensitive skin. Going back to the marine cream, this gorgeous addition features the same iconic formula designed to reduce the appearance of wrinkles and increase hydration, leaving your skin feeling smoother and firmer, but with a beautiful new rose aromatic, enriched with fully traceable organic English rose hydrolat that incorporates over 20 varieties of rose, plus ginkgo biloba and chlorella vulgaris. So those are the 5 items in this pre-launch offer. I'm glad I went for the rose. I don't like rosy smells, but the other option of the Pro-Collagen range, I wasn't keen on the lime and ginger body cream and shower gel. I don't really like gingery smells, and I had heard that English Garden isn't full on old-fashioned rose type smell, which I don't like. I heard that it was quite nice, so I thought, oh, okay then. I don't mind the rose cleansing balm, as I mentioned, and the fact that the moisturizer is not heavily scented in roses as well. That's a bonus. If it was strongly scented body creams, perfumes, anything that is lingering, long-lasting, then I wouldn't have gone for it. As always, I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of this collection? Did you go for any of them, or are you thinking, nah, I'm going to leave it this time? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.